Okay, first and most important, you want to make sure you have folders for everything to keep everything organized. So if you go over on the left here, you right click, go to add folder, and then label it. So if you're starting with the country, type in the name of the country. The next thing, once you have a country there, then inside that folder you want to have different folders for air bases, surface-to-air missile sites, army bases, whatever it is. So make new folders for them. And then inside that folder is where you put all the places. So once you find a location up here on the top, you can click on Add Placemark, and then name it accordingly. And then in the description, you can list what kind of military units are there, if it's an air base, what kind of aircraft are there, etc. The next important thing is to change the icon. So for surface-to-air missile sites, we're using this red placemark with an S on it. For air bases, it's going to be the airplane. For army bases, it's going to be this truck logo. For naval bases, the blue anchor. And then for radars, it's going to be the red place marker with the R on it. Once you're done with a particular country, you can go back over on the left, right-click on the country folder, go down to Save Place As, save the location on your computer, and then when you're done with it, you can send it to me on the Discord.